everybody. Everybody in a line in front of the buckets.
Just kind of, whatever, something like that.
Yeah, just a line, just, you know, by the buckets. You don't get hit. Alright, is everybody here? Everyone's in a line? Come on, come on. Okay. Alright, guys. A few things, okay? First, only throw from the open bucket. Do not throw from the other bucket. Okay. 2, if something happened to pop, don't shout out what it is before you throw it, okay? 3, you kind of have to throw a little hard, so don't be shy. And 4, if you miss, you have to run and go get it and throw it from behind, and if you get hit, that's on you. And nothing is off limits as far as throwing the balloon goes, because this is to protect the baby, so nothing is off limits.
That is to protect the baby.
This is to protect the future second baby.
Okay. So, when we say ready, Katie's going to lift one lid off of the buckets, and those are the ones you throw. Okay. Okay. Ready. Okay.
I'm gonna get whacked in the face. Let him rip.
All right. 'I knew it was a girl. You want me to throw up with you?
I don't know.
You
want any
too?
photos? These bowls were such a good idea.
It's blue.